Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome to Flash Tech Talks. I'm Kurultay Kalkan, here to dive into the exciting world of Django, the web framework for perfectionists with deadlines. So, let's jazz up our tech knowledge and explore Django, not the guitarist, but the framework that's music to a developer's ears. Let's start with the basics. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. It's like the Swiss Army knife for web developers, versatile, efficient, and reliable. Born out of a newsroom, Django was designed to handle the intensive deadlines and stringent requirements of a news site. Now, it's used by all kinds of businesses, from small startups to tech giants. Imagine you're building a high-traffic news website. You need it to be fast, secure, and able to handle thousands of stories, user comments, and real-time updates. Django is your go-to framework here. It's like having a seasoned journalist who knows exactly how to handle breaking news, ensuring that your website never misses a beat. Django is famous for its batteries included philosophy. This means it comes with a plethora of features out of the box, like an authentication system, an admin interface, and database schema migrations. It's like getting a new smartphone with all the essential apps pre-installed. Now, let's talk about scalability, a word that excites and terrifies in equal measure. With Django, scaling your application is like a well-planned city expansion. It's built to handle increasing traffic and data, ensuring that your app can grow gracefully as your user base expands. One of Django's superpowers is its Object Relational Mapper, ORM. It lets you handle database operations without writing raw SQL. Imagine you're an artist, but instead of paint, you use code to create masterpieces. Django's ORM is like having the best brushes and colors at your fingertips, making the process smoother and more intuitive. But what about real-world applications? Well, Django has been used to build some of the most visited sites on the web, like Instagram and Mozilla. It's like the secret sauce behind a gourmet dish. You might not see it, but it makes everything better. Let's sprinkle in a bit of humor. Using Django is like having a conversation with a well-educated friend. It's easy, insightful, and you don't have to explain things twice. Plus, with Django, you spend less time on repetitive tasks, which means more time for coffee breaks, or, if you're like me, explaining to your family what exactly it is that you do. Django also excels in security. It's like having a digital bodyguard for your website, protecting against common security mistakes like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. In the wild west of the internet, Django is the sheriff in town. For those with a creative flair, Django's templating engine allows you to build dynamic user interfaces. It separates design, content, and Python code, which means you can create visually stunning websites without getting your code in a twist. In conclusion, Django is more than just a framework. It's a complete toolbox for building robust, scalable, and secure web applications. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a large team, Django offers the flexibility and tools to turn your ideas into reality. Thank you for tuning into Flash Tech Talks. I'm Kurultay Kalkan, and I hope this session has sparked your interest in Django. Remember, in the world of web development, Django is like a trusted companion on your coding journey. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, may your development be rapid and your code bug-free.